Hello, here is a quick recap of what we did in class today. For the purpose of this video, I'm using the period 4, but it is the same for all of my core classes. You will go into your classwork tab, and under Cycle 8, you will see daily agendas. You can open those up. And take a look at what we did today. So you can skip the attendance form. The PDN contains a very short 3-minute video introducing you to Walt Whitman, who is the poet that we're looking at today. So please make sure that you watch that. And then we read and annotated the poems together as a class, but all the responses were done individually. And then there is an exit ticket for you to do as well. So if you look in your classwork tab under the agendas, you'll see that there is an assignment called Whitman's America. It contains two different things. The first one is a document, and the second one is a link to a Google form. So we'll open up the document first. And what you'll do is to read the first poem. There's a translation here if you need it. And then answer these two questions. How does the poem make you feel? And what details or images do you find interesting? There's some complicated language in here, so you might need to look up some of these words. Then you're going to read the second poem, I Hear America Singing. Again, there are two response questions. What references to music do you notice? So that could be words, phrases that are talking about something musical. And then again, what details or images do you find interesting? And then there is a question down at the bottom that asks you to connect the two together. So thinking about both poems, what is Whitman's message about America? What does he want his readers to think or understand about America based on what he wrote here? And you will support your answer by picking words or phrases from the poems that go along with what you say. So if you're saying that Whitman's message is that America is a good place to be, you would want to pick a couple of words or phrases from the poems that prove that to be true. So when you're finished with the document, you will click on this link here. That will take you to a Google form, which is your exit ticket. So as always, it'll ask you for your name and class period, and then there are two multiple choice questions in the next section. So once you've done the exit ticket and finished your doc, then you want to go into View Assignment and click Turn it in to hand it in to me on Classroom. And then you are done for the day.